Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about getting a credit card with Starling Bank. Now, I know a lot of people are curious about this because Starling Bank is a relatively new challenger bank that's been making a lot of waves in the UK financial scene. They offer a range of banking services, including current accounts, savings accounts, and even investment products. But what about credit cards? Can you actually get one with Starling Bank? Before we dive into that, let's take a quick look at what Starling Bank is all about. They're a mobile-only bank, which means you can manage your finances entirely through their app. They're also known for their innovative features, like their Spaces feature, which allows you to set aside money for specific goals. So, back to the question at hand, can you get a credit card with Starling Bank? The answer is yes. But there are a few things you need to know before you apply. First, Starling Bank offers two types of credit cards, the Starling Bank MasterCard and the Starling Bank Business MasterCard. The Starling Bank MasterCard is a standard credit card that you can use for everyday purchases. The Starling Bank Business MasterCard is designed for business owners and freelancers. To be eligible for a Starling Bank credit card, you'll need to meet the following criteria. You must be at least 18 years old. You must be a UK resident. You must have a regular income of at least £12,000 per year. You must not have any outstanding debt or county court judgments, CCJs. If you meet these criteria, you can apply for a Starling Bank credit card through their app. Once you've been approved, your card will be delivered to you within a few days. So, what are the benefits of getting a credit card with Starling Bank? Well, for starters, their cards come with a number of features that make them stand out from the crowd. These include no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, up to 0.5% cashback on everyday purchases, the ability to set spending limits and track your spending in real time, the ability to freeze and unfreeze your card at any time, the ability to get instant notifications about your transactions. In addition to these benefits, Starling Bank also offers a number of exclusive perks to their credit card customers. These include free access to the Priority Pass Airport Lounge network, discounts on travel and entertainment, exclusive invitations to events and experiences. So, is the Starling Bank credit card right for you? That depends on your individual circumstances. If you're looking for a credit card with no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, and a range of other benefits, then Starling Bank could be a good option. However, it's important to remember that credit cards can be a risky financial product if you're not careful. Make sure you only use your credit card for purchases you can afford to repay and always pay your balance in full each month. Overall, I think Starling Bank offers a competitive credit card product. If you're looking for a new credit card, it's definitely worth considering. So, there you have it. Everything you need to know about getting a credit card with Starling Bank. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll wrap up this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.